In this guide, we're going over the very best deck for Arena 17 here in Clash Royale. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But Arena 17 actually brings us the Knightly Armor Ram Rider Bridge Spam deck, which is a fast, aggressive control deck that shines when you need it to keep up the pressure. This is the deck right here, and essentially your Ram Rider is the main win condition here. Pair her with Lumberjack or Knight for tanking, which will snare enemy troops while charging straight toward the tower for tower damage. On defense, the deck is stacked. Inferno Dragon's gonna melt tanks, Magic Archer is gonna line up an insane chip value, and Barbarian Barrel is gonna clear swarms while giving you a mini tank on the ground. The Heal Spirit is the hidden MVP. Dropping it with your pushes is going to keep your Ram Rider or Knight alive long enough just to break through. Fireball is also going to give you a reliable spell value against medium troops or buildings. It's also very good to keep in hand to support a bridge push. Overall, the attack is solid, but relies on quick cycles. Defense is godly, versatility is top tier, but the free-to-play score is obviously a bit rough, just since Ram Rider and Magic Archer are harder to unlock. Still, if you do have the cards, this deck thrives in Arena 17 and beyond. If you do have any questions, ask us down below. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.